Hello guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, you are also welcome. Today is the first day of my 7 days challenge on this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you what YouTube paid me to promote a video on this channel. Now, before I continue, let me give you a background of this promotion. Back then, that was early 2023, I did a master class and I wanted, to create an awareness about the master class, to create awareness outside my audience so that people will know about this master class, especially people interested in it. So then I wasn't prepared because the date of the master class was approaching very fast, and I didn't have time to make a dedicated video for the promotion. So I decided to use a video that is already public on my channel to make the promotion, and that was like me breaking the rules of promoting videos. Promoting a video on a channel. So I did that just to create an awareness for the upcoming masterclass. Now I'm going to share with you what the video's analytics looked like before I made the promotion, and what the video analytics was during the promotion and also after the promotion or till now. So here, before I promoted the video has already gotten 2,000 views with over 130 watch time hours, and I've already gotten 42 subscribers and has already earned $18.17. So now going to the reach, you will see that here, this is how viewers find this video. And here you can see that most of the audience or most of the traffic was coming from YouTube search, followed by recommendations. So during those times, I always optimize my videos for YouTube search, and most of my viewers were coming through YouTube search. Now this is the video during the promotion. Before the promotion, the video has already gotten 2,000 views. And when I started the promotion, you can see right here, you can see the surge to show that I did a promotion right here. This wasn't organic, this was a paid promotion surge. Now going to the reach, this is where you can see how the people, the viewers find this video. So you can see here that when I did the promotion, 31% of the viewers came through YouTube advertising, that is the Google Ads promotion. And as usual, the search was second because the advertising got much more views. Going deep into the analytics, you can see here that the YouTube advertising got over 1,000 views. And one thing I want to highlight here is that when you check here, you see that from the advertising, I got over 1,000 views, which is 31% of the total views this video got. And you can see the impression and the click-through rate wasn't registered. So when you promote a video on your channel, the click-through rate and the impression is not being counted in your analytics. So you need to have this in mind. And another thing I want to highlight here from this video is that you can see the watch hour. You can see the average view duration was 22 seconds. That is very, very poor. When you check other sources, you can see that the search got 3 minutes. All of them are in minutes except the advertising. So this shows that when you promote a video from your channel, definitely the average view duration will be very, very poor. So that is why it is not advisable to promote a public video. It's not wise to promote a public video, but at the end of this video, we will see the end result of this video, and also I will share my thoughts on promoting videos on your channel. So going back here, you can see that the watch hour gotten from this 1,000 views is just only 6 hours. So that is very, very poor. Now, fast forward to today, this video has over 34,000 views with almost 2,000 watch hours and 481 subscribers. And we're going to see how much this video, YouTube paid me for this video much later. So in the reach tab, you can see that eventually the YouTube search takes over with 41%. So currently this video, 41% of the traffic or 41% of the viewers came through YouTube search, then external, then the rest recommendations. And when you go to see more, you can see down here that YouTube search has given this video over 14,000 views. And now let's now search for the advertising. You can see the promotion, the Google Ads promotion still have the 1,030 views. So I promoted this video for a few days and it gave me 1,000. So typically the impression some YouTubers or people that have done promotion on their channel normally give is that when you promote a video, that video is already dead. Most times it's not that way. So it also depends on how you promote the video. So like typically of me, when I do promotion for brands or for clients, there's a way we normally do there's some procedures. Like I said, that video, a video that you want to promote must be unlisted and it should have a particular length. Like it shouldn't be a very lengthy video, like 8 minutes or 10 minutes or so. So there are some precautions to take or some things you need to consider before you promote a video on your channel. And again, I always say that if you're just a content creator, you are not selling anything on your channel, you are not promoting anything, there's no need for you to promote. Use your Google Ads to promote your videos. You don't need Google Ads to grow your channel. But on the other way around, if you are like a musician, or you have products, or you are a coach, or a brand, that you want to create more awareness about what you are doing or your music or whatever, then you can use Google Ads to promote your channel. That is wise. But if you're just a content creator, you're just doing your vlogging, sit and talk, you don't have anything you are selling, you don't have any course you want to sell or whatever, or masterclass, then there's no point promoting your channel with Google Ads or YouTube Ads. So now let's go deep into other analytics of the video. So you can see here the impression is 6.1% click-through rate, and in the engagement side we have, like as we've seen before, 2,000 watch time hours and 3 minutes 22 seconds. And when we check in the audience tab, you can see that the younger generation were the ones watching this video, and the top geographies are the United States, Nigeria, Egypt, Tunisia, and Ghana. So I know if you are familiar with YouTube analytics, definitely you know that the CPM of this video will be much higher. So let's go to the revenue tab. In the revenue tab, for every 1,000 views on this video, YouTube pays me $10.98, and advertisers pay $23.90. These dollars are real US dollars. So for fact-checking sake, you need to see here that this is US dollars. If I change it to Canadian dollars, and click save, you can see it has bumped up to $14.90. So this is in Canadian dollars. And if you see the advertiser, you see $32.43. So let me take it back to the US dollar. This is just for fact checking sake. I know some of you might have issues believing this. So the advertisers paid $23.90 for this video, and YouTube paid me $10.98 for every 1,000 views. So in total, this video got 34,400 views, 1,900 watch time hours, 481 subscribers, and $376.95. So you can see it. So the money I paid for the promotion wasn't up to $30. I don't think it's up to that. It's like about $20 I made for those 1,000 views. So you can see clearly here that the promotion I did much earlier didn't affect the performance of this video in the long run. So that is how it is. So this is how much YouTube paid me. Now, my thoughts on if you should promote your videos or your channel with YouTube ads or Google ads. Now, just like I said earlier, if you're a content creator, you don't have anything, or you are basically dependent on AdSense, Google Ads revenue, then you don't need to use Google Ads. You get the point? You don't need to use Google Ads. Paid promotion like this is like a knife. A knife can be a dangerous weapon and at the same time can be a good utensil. So it depends on how you use it. So a knife in a kitchen is very helpful, but a knife in a dark spot or in a dark area is very dangerous. So this is how Google Ads or paid promotion is. So just like I said earlier, the reason why I did this promotion is in anticipation to my masterclass that I was hosting. So if you don't have anything going on your channel, you are just uploading videos, then you don't need to use paid promotion. Like you might say, most top YouTubers, they use paid promotion to grow their channel. I've seen a lot of adverts that have your popular YouTubers, especially here in Nigeria, they use it to promote their channel. So definitely they are not doing anything wrong, by promoting their channel with paid promotion. The fact remains that some of these promotions are being done by third parties. For example, you can see some channels that do unboxing, product reviews. So after they make that product reviews, the owners of the brand that owns those products can use those channels video to do promotion, to promote their product. So I've seen, like, I don't want to call names, but some of our popular YouTubers, I've seen some of their adverts on my home feed. So that is how interesting this is. So it is a two-way thing. It can be a dangerous tool and also a good utensil. So before you make this promotion, have in mind that YouTube promotion is not meant for promoting content creating, but rather for promoting business. Now, coming to the watch time hours. The watch time hours I got from this promotion is not counted towards monetization. Let's assume that I'm trying to get watch time hours that will enable me monetize my channel. Those watch hours I got will not be counted towards monetization. So any watch time hours you get from any paid promotion on YouTube or on your channel will not be counted towards monetization, but the subscribers will count. So I'll be making another video about how I got subscribers, on a channel that I promoted. So we'll now make comparison. So if you have any other question that you would like to ask, please drop it in the comment section and let me know. This $376, was it good? Was it okay? Is the pay, is it worth it for 34,000 views on a YouTube channel like this? So just let me know your thought in the comment section. And if you have other questions you would like to ask, just like I said, please drop it in the comment section. And this is the day one of my 7 days challenge on this channel. So I'll be uploading another video tomorrow. And at the end of this challenge, I'll be going live and we'd like to hear your thoughts and what you have to say about audio topics I'll be treating over these 7 days. So thank you guys for being part of this journey. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it to your community so that this video might be useful to someone. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.